Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Kevin, and today I will be unboxing the brand new iPhone 14 Pro. It's an update I've been waiting for a while. I'm actually still running the iPhone 11 Pro, which has been good to me for a few years, but it's showing its age. But without further ado, let's get into it. Right, pretty exciting, and here we have it. The camera looks huge compared to the other one. I mean, in comparison, it's a huge improvement. Now, what's in the box here? Just cables, paperwork. Put that aside. I mean, the camera bump is significant. I mean, you can tell right there. That is pretty significant. Alright, let's take this paper off here. Yeah. Even the phone is a bit bigger as well. I mean, that looks very nice. And the edge, I love the square design. It looks much better than the rounded design. Yeah, guys, I'm so excited about this phone. It looks really, really nice. The shine, the glossy edges. The back looks almost identical. There is a slight difference, but looks very similar. But I just can't get over how big of a difference that is. Pictures must be much better. Even the flash looks much bigger. It's gonna take a few minutes to activate. Okay, phone's finally activating. Okay guys, so here we have it. The phone is amazing. I love the way it looks, how it feels in the hand. I can't get over how big of a difference that camera, well, the cameras are, the camera bump. I mean, it is incredible. The feel of the squared edges is much better than the rounded. I feel like I have a better grip on it. But yeah, I'm gonna get into the phone and test the cameras, video, photo, and see how good they are. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.